In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to customize our ribbon bars and various toolbars. So first, I'm going to come up to the ribbon bar over here in the gray area, and I'm going to right click. I'm going to select Customize. This window will open up. I'm just going to move it a little bit over here. And in this window, we can choose which toolbars we would like on and off. If we go next, we can turn on various shortcut bars, or what I want to focus on in this video is customization of commands. So if I go to commands, again, I'm going to slide this over just a little bit more. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to choose the standard view. If I want any of these to be added to my view heads up toolbar, what I need to do is drag and drop them up here. So I'm going to click and hold on the isometric view and I'm going to drag it over. If I release my mouse here, nothing will happen. That's what the red X is showing. So I'm just going to release it. Nothing happens. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to click and hold on the isometric, and once I get it near this toolbar, it'll change to show a green plus from the red X. If I release it now, I've added the isometric view to this toolbar. I'm also going to add the normal to, because we often want to select a feature face and look normal to it. So again, I'm going to click and hold on it. I'm going to drag and I'm going to drop it into this toolbar. So I'll say OK, and now this is part of my view heads up toolbar. I'm going to do that one more time, and this time I'm going to add a command to the sketch ribbon bar. So I have the sketch ribbon bar open. I'm going to scroll over here and I'm going to right click. I'm going to select customize. And once again, I want to focus on just commands. So I'm going to select the commands option and I'm going to scroll down to sketch tools. So I click on sketch. These are all the various sketch tools I can do. And I want to add the dynamic mirror entities. So once again, I'm going to click and hold on it and I'm just going to drag it and drop it right here below mirror entities. And it's now part of my sketch ribbon. I can also customize menus, keyboard shortcuts, and mouse gestures, but we'll look at mouse gestures in another video. For now, I'm going to say OK, and that's a quick look at how we add customizations to our various toolbars.